Hi, my name is Guy Fredrickson. Today is Sunday, October 31st, 2021. And this video is about the tools that I use. I've had 3 boat projects. Several years ago, I built an 18-foot wooden drift boat, a Mackenzie River style drift boat. And then after that, I picked up the 1961 Chris Craft that I'm currently working on. And a year after that, I got this 1957 Martinac. So I just wanted to show you my workspace. So here I rent this 12 by 40 storage shed. Costs about $160 a month. I've got a power outlet. And here are the tools I use. So again, just a, storage unit here on the north side of Idaho Falls. So I don't think brands are too important. I don't get hung up on that. All the top brands are pretty high quality. They work really well. But here's a DeWalt miter saw. This DeWalt portable table saw. Here's this Wen bandsaw with a 9-inch throat. Real useful for cutting contours into the framing. The oscillating belt sander. Again, very useful for shaping frames and other pieces of wood. A good shop vac. You can hook up to a lot of these tools to keep the dust down. Router table. I think it's a Craig router table. And I picked up a used DeWalt plunge router to dedicate to the table. Pretty much just use it for cutting contours into the edges of the pieces of wood. So here are the hand tools. So 6-inch orbital sander, kind of heavy duty. You can hook up to the vacuum cleaner. 5-inch orbital sander. A scroll saw. This is an excellent tool. A lot of versatility. You can use it for cutting metal, wood, do some sanding. So the oscillating cutter. This is one made by Fine. The circular saw, small handheld router, heat gun. So I've gone through 2 heat guns, burning them out. Use them quite a bit for stripping the paint and fiberglass off the Chris Craft and off the Martinac. Heat gun and scraper, real good tool. This saw has come in handy a few times. It's a little awkward to use, but it works where you need it. Hand planer. This has come in useful for trimming down some of the framework when you just need to take, a 1/16 of an inch or an 1/8 inch off the width. Angle grinder, very useful for deconstructing the old boats and cutting rusted fasteners with the cutoff wheel on it. And you can also put a wire wheel on it or a sanding disc. Real versatile, but a little dangerous. Gotta be careful using that tool. And PPE, dust mask, when I'm working with the epoxies and the sealers. I have a mask with the respirator cartridges on it, goggles, glasses, good hearing protection, gloves. I have a lot of these clamps of different sizes. I bet I have near 100 clamps. And then the cordless drill, impact drill, and a caulking gun. all come in very useful. And again, with all the caulking I'm doing with the 3M 5200, you know, if you had to squeeze that out by hand, forget it. So this has been a lifesaver for that. So that's it. At home, I have a small drill press about that size. I have a bench grinder with a stone on one side and the wire brush on the other. Very useful for cleaning up old fasteners and whatnot. But that's it. Hey, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.